This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Grohowski and Kim Lam. Calling all investors/flippers. This home is a great opportunity for an investor or a handy homeowner. The floor plan features 4 bedrooms/1 bath with a very spacious enclosed porch. This home sits on more than a quarter acre of land. Located close to major roads for shopping, dining, and easy commutes. Downtown Orlando is just 15 minutes away. This home is located in one of the hottest zip codes for investor. Capture this chance before it's gone and paint a new canvas. For more information, review the details below or contact Grohowski and Kim Lam at 407-406-5322.